Hello students, this is an instructional video on how to select your classes for the upcoming school year. This year, all classes will be selected virtually. You will not have the option of completing a paper schedule card. So it's very important that you watch this video and read the attached instructions so that you know how to complete that request. So you'll first start by logging in to your Infinite Campus portal. So you will click on Campus Student, and then to log in, you will use the single sign-on option. Once you click this button, you will be prompted to enter your Google Classroom logon. So it's the same email address and password that you use to log on to any FCPS device or to access your Google Classroom. I'm not going to go ahead and do that step since I do not have a student log on, but you want to be sure that you use the single sign-on option, the gray bar listed here. And then once logged into your account, you will see your current schedule, and on the left of the screen, you will see a gray toolbar. You want to go to the option at the end listed as More. From there, you will choose Course Registration. And then your only option under Course Registration will be the 2021 school year. Okay, once you log into the screen, you may notice that some courses are already listed on your account. Your teachers previously recommended your academic courses in your core content areas for you to take in the next school year. So for example, this student has been recommended to take Advanced Chemistry, Advanced English, Advanced World History, and Advanced Algebra 2 as their core classes for the upcoming school year. The student has also been enrolled in a CTE course. Your CTE teachers will be talking to you about the next course in the sequence, and they will also be making appropriate recommendations. All of those courses are listed as required, meaning that you cannot change those courses without meeting with your counselor to change those decisions. At the bottom of the screen is where you will see your requests. So in order to request a course, you will click Add Course, and using your course list that you received in CCR, you will type in the name of an elective that you would like to take next school year. For example, if I would like to take Advanced PE, I'll type in the name of that course. And as you start typing in a few letters, the options will be listed below. So here you see Advanced PE. You want to be sure that you add in both first and second semester of that course. So when you click on the blue arrow, you will have the choice of making it a request, an alternate, or canceling your selection. To add that as one of your choices, you want to choose Request. Be sure to repeat that process for the second semester of the course as well. Once you do that, click on the back button, and you will see that that course has now been added to your list of requests. To add another request, just simply repeat the process. So let's say that I want to take the dual credit astronomy class. So I'll type in astronomy, here's the course, I can add that to my requests. Okay. And then you'll go back. Once you have all of your requests complete, the number at the top of your screen should be a 16 for PLD students or an 18 for MSTC students. If you would like to go ahead and select your alternates, you may do that through the Infinite Campus portal as well. So for example, if I do not get into advanced PE, maybe I want to add fitness conditioning as an alternate. So again, I'll search for the course. And this time, instead of choosing request, I'm going to choose alternate. And then I'll repeat that process for second semester as well. So be sure each time you add a course that you are adding the S1 and the S2 version of that course. So if I go back to the screen, I now see my required courses, my requests, and my alternates. Be sure that you complete this process prior to meeting with your counselor at the beginning of February. It is very important that you take the time to discuss these choices with your teachers and your parents to make sure that you are making appropriate choices for the upcoming school year. When you meet with your counselor after completing your requests, your counselor will verify that you have made appropriate selections, and then those requests will be added for the next school year. If you have any questions about the process, be sure to email your counselor so that we can help you make those selections prior to meeting with us at the beginning of February. Thank you, and I hope you have a great school year.